If you're under 40 and feel like your brain doesn't work the way it used to, you're not imagining it. A shocking study just published in November 2025 revealed that cognitive problems in young adults have nearly doubled in the last 10 years. Memory loss, brain fog, inability to focus. Meanwhile, adults over 70, their brains are actually improving. 20-year-olds now have the cognitive problems that 70-year-olds used to have. So what the hell is happening to young people's brains? If this sounds like you, smash that like button right now, because what I'm about to show you will change everything. Let me show you what's actually happening inside your brain. Your brain has 86 billion neurons that communicate through electrical signals. When everything works, you think clearly, remember easily, and focus effortlessly. But when brain fog hits, 3 things break down. First, your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain, starts failing. Second, your hippocampus, your memory center, literally shrinks. And third, communication between neurons slows to a crawl. Information that should take milliseconds now takes seconds, or doesn't arrive at all. Here's what shocked scientists. This used to only happen to old people, but the data now shows young brains deteriorating while old brains improve. This isn't aging. Something in modern life is actively destroying young people's brains. And I'm about to reveal exactly what it is. 3 major culprits are absolutely wrecking your brain right now. Number 1, your phone. You check it 144 times per day. That's every 6 minutes. Each time you switch tasks, your brain burns glucose trying to refocus. Studies show it takes 23 minutes to fully concentrate after a distraction. But you're getting distracted every 6 minutes. Your brain never reaches deep focus. It's stuck in permanent shallow thinking mode, and it's literally breaking down your neural pathways. Number 2, sleep deprivation. Your brain has a cleaning system called the glymphatic system that only works during deep sleep. It removes toxic proteins and waste. When you don't sleep enough or destroy sleep quality with screens and stress, these toxins accumulate and damage your neurons. Your brain is literally swimming in its own waste products. That's why you feel foggy. Number 3, what you eat is destroying your brain from the inside. Ultra-processed foods cause massive inflammation that crosses into your brain. Your brain is 60% fat. When you eat seed oils and inflammatory garbage, you're building your brain with low-quality materials. Add chronic stress, and cortisol physically shrinks your hippocampus, killing the neurons responsible for memory. You're not just tired. Your brain is under assault from all sides. If you're thinking, oh no, that's me, hit that subscribe button because I'm about to give you the exact protocols to reverse this and rebuild your brain. And yes, your brain can heal at any age. Here's the neuroscience-backed solution protocol. First, focus blocks. Turn your phone on airplane mode for 90-minute blocks. No distractions. Only deep work. Do this twice per day. Just 3 hours of real focus will make you sharper than 99% of people. Second, fix your sleep like your life depends on it because your brain's life literally does. No screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your room completely dark and cool. Get morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. These aren't suggestions, they're non-negotiables. Third, eat for your brain. Omega-3s from fish and walnuts rebuild your brain cells. Berries and greens fight inflammation. Dark chocolate and green tea boost BDNF, which is literally fertilizer for your brain. Cut out seed oils and processed foods completely. Every meal is either building or destroying your brain. And fourth, move your body. Aerobic exercise increases BDNF by up to 300% and promotes the growth of new brain cells in your hippocampus. Just 30 minutes, 5 days per week can reverse years of decline. Here's the timeline. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice sharper focus. Within 6 weeks, your memory improves. Within 3 months, you'll feel like you have a completely different brain. This is documented neuroscience. Your brain can heal. You just need to stop poisoning it and give it what it needs. So let's bring this full circle. Young people's brains are deteriorating, while older people's brains improve. Now you know why. It's not genetics, it's lifestyle. The older adults with improving brains aren't scrolling TikTok for 5 hours, eating inflammatory garbage, and living in constant stress. Young adults are living in an environment designed to destroy cognitive function. But here's your advantage. You now know exactly what's happening and how to fix it. You have 2 paths. Path 1, continue as you are and watch your brain decline year after year. By 30, you'll have the memory of a 60-year-old. Path 2, implement what you learned today. Be the outlier with razor-sharp focus and clear thinking in a sea of brain fog. The choice is yours. Your brain is either building or deteriorating every single day. There is no neutral. If this opened your eyes, share this video with someone experiencing brain fog right now. They need to see this. And if you want more neuroscience that actually upgrades your brain and life, subscribe to NeuroMind Lab and hit that bell icon so you never miss content like this. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Protect it. I'll see you in the next one.